everyone, it's Miss Kara from the Children's Department at the Sachem Public Library. And I have my daughter helping us out today. As a quote from Aristotle, art takes nature as its model. We're going to be heading outside today for some nature art. The best part is you don't need anything except a willingness to gather some materials from your own backyard and a little imagination. So we already gathered some materials from our backyard. We have some grass, sticks, leaves, a couple of rocks, some dandelions, and we're going to use a piece of chalk. So to get started, we're going to make a nature friend. We made one already, now we're going to make another one. We started by drawing a circle with our chalk. And now we're going to use a stick to give him a face and a nose and some dandelion eyes. Going to use some more sticks to build a body for him. Some more of those dandelions that we gathered to fill in his body and give him a bright yellow shirt. Now, depending on what you gather, everyone's will be unique and different. We decided to make a nature boy and girl, but you might decide to make something different like a bird, a bunny, or something else you might find in nature. We're using some sticks for arms. And then we gathered some green leaves. Make him some shorts or pants. Some more sticks for his legs. And then rocks for his feet. We're going to use a handful of grass to give him some hair. Here's our nature friend. Here's one friend and two friends. Hope you had fun, and if you like, feel free to send us some of your nature creations.